Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on message request notifications on Instagram with the latest update. This is a handy feature that ensures you never miss a message from someone who isn't already on your friends list. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines icon, also known as the menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This section contains all the options you need to customize your Instagram experience. Next, scroll down a bit and tap on Notifications. This is where you control what kind of alerts you receive from Instagram. Within Notifications, find and tap on Messages. This category manages all notifications related to your Instagram direct messages. Now look for the option labeled Message Requests. This controls notifications for messages sent by people who don't follow you or aren't in your contacts. Simply select On to enable notifications for message requests. Once this is turned on, Instagram will notify you whenever someone new sends you a message request, so you can check and respond promptly. And that's it. You've successfully turned on message request notifications on Instagram. This small change can make a big difference in staying connected and not missing out on important messages. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check your settings regularly, as Instagram updates can sometimes change where these options are located. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more connected Instagram experience.